Welcome back to 100 words for 100 days. In this quick English learning video, you are going to learn an idiomatic expression is foot the bill. Let's get started. I'm Ithaya. This. What does mean by foot the bill? But first, let me give you an example sentence, and it's your duty to listen to that and guess the meaning. Be careful from fragile objects in this luxurious store. I don't have money to foot the bill for damage. What do you think this means? It is used to say at the point when one was paying one's big or irrational bill. தகுதிக்கு மீறி செலவழிக்கிறது தான் foot the bill. Let me give you a couple of examples. His parents can't afford to foot the bill for his college education. My dad told me that he is not going to foot the bill of my internet connection. I hope you understand this word, how to use in your conversation. I will meet you with the new words in next video. Until then, bye bye.